Hello, this is Jacob Bandick for ME210 Dynamics, and this is video assignment 2, in which I chose to do the kinematics of a dropped wallet. So here is my picture of the scenario. Here is me. Here's my coordinate axis. This little H is this X is the floor, or where the wallet will contact the ground after being dropped. I've included H, or my height, because that's where I dropped the wallet from, and that the initial velocity is 0, because I am dropping the wallet. And then down here, I figured it would be easier to do this in metric units, so I took H, which is my height, 5 foot 9 inches, and using the fact that 1 foot is 0.3048 meters, I converted this to 1.7526 meters, and that is H in metric units. Okay, so what is given is really just my height, which is a parameter because that's where I dropped the wallet from. I assumed that the wallet can be treated as a particle. I assumed that acceleration is negative 9.81 meters per second squared, and that is constant. I assumed that there's no air resistance because the velocity is so low that it won't really be a factor. And I also assumed that the initial velocity is 0 meters per second because I dropped it. We will be determining the time that it takes for this wallet to reach the floor and the velocity as it hits the floor, or the final velocity. The equations that I'm going to use to do this are these two kinematic equations. Vf squared is equal to v naught squared plus 2a delta x, and Vf equals v naught plus at. Here's my solution for the problem, which is I took the first equation and I just solved for Vf, which was square rooting the whole thing. And then I plugged in the values, or the given information, assumed information, and I got that the final velocity is 5.86 meters per second downward, or 13.12 miles per hour, if that resonates better with you. For the time that it takes to reach the floor, I have taken my second equation and solved it for time, and then plugged in the given information and assumed information, and I got that the time that it takes for this wallet to hit the ground is 0.598 seconds.